convert the decimal number 141 to hexadecimal. All right, so a hexadecimal number is a number with a base of 16. Okay, so instead of putting 10 to the 0 or 10 to the first, right, as a decimal number, or even binary, right? Binary is base 2. This would be 2 to the 0, 2 to the first power, right? Hexadecimal is base 16, so we'll put 16 to the 0, 16 to the 1. You can try putting 16 to the second power, right? But this number won't really go that far, okay? So what's the next step here, though? Right, the next step is to determine how many times 16 goes into 141, right, without going over. All right, let's try a couple numbers here, okay? So for example, if you do 16 times 7, okay, let's run on the side here, okay, 16 times 7, I know that that's 112. Okay, what about 16 times 8? Okay, so 16 times 8 is 128. And then 16 times 9 is 144. And 16 times 10, of course, is just 160. 16 times 11 is 176. We'll stop there. Hopefully we don't need to go further. Right, but the idea is, okay, 16 times what goes into 141 without going over? So we see that that number would be this guy here, right? Because 16 times 9, think about it. If you put a 9 here, right? 16 times 9 is 144, and we're already bigger than our target number here. Right? So that means I want to put an 8 here, because I know that 16 times 8 is 128. So this place value contributes 128 towards the target value. Okay? What number goes here? What number goes here is whatever's remaining, right? So we'll take that 141, we'll subtract 128, and we get 13. So do we put a 13 here? Well, you can't, right? This has to be a single digit. So how do we take care of this issue here? The issue is it's a double digit number. Okay? So what we do is replace double digit numbers with letters. Okay? So 10 would be represented by the letter A. 11 would be represented by the letter B. And we keep going here. We actually go up till 15. Okay, we cannot go up till 16. Okay. So what does that tell us? Well, we need to put a 13 here, but we can't. So we use a letter, in this case, the letter D, to denote that place. Okay, so what is our final answer? Our final answer is 8D, right? So in hexadecimal, 8D is the same as 141 in decimal.